When it comes to classroom design, SAFFE Furniture knows that it's not a one-size-fits-all approach to creating future-ready educational environments that accelerate learning. So, we thought we would show you 5 recent modern classroom installations to get your creative design juices flowing. Many schools incorporate color through wall decor like posters and paint. But did you know you can incorporate color into your classroom with our furniture? In this installation from a STEM program, SAFFE Furniture worked with the school to match the table bases to their school colors, blue and yellow, and the work surfaces to a green accent wall. Learning happens everywhere, and this classroom setup is in a media center. SAFFE Furniture recommended flip-top tables for ultimate space flexibility. After all, today's spaces are multi-purpose and multifunctional. We also work with the school to help them select red table bases that coordinate with their school colors to inspire student pride. In this setup, you can see how SAFFE Furniture worked with the school to create project-based group learning cards, complete with whiteboard tops, so groups can jot down notes as they work together. We also uniquely colored each cart to coordinate with different classroom groups. This school wanted to create an art room with a professional-looking style for their students. We worked with the school to coordinate the table legs to match the flooring. And we provided a laminate top with a matching edge band to replicate the look of a wood butcher block top at a more budget-friendly price. This classroom design shows a STEM space where height-adjustable desks were an important part of the design for student ergonomics and classroom flexibility. Additionally, SAFFE Furniture helped the school build bright red storage cabinets and mobile carts to coordinate with the other elements in the room. With SAFFE Furniture, anything is possible. We exist to help our customers create specialized furniture for coordinated spaces. Thanks for watching. To stay up to date on our new educational content from SAFFE Furniture, don't forget to follow and subscribe. And if you're looking for modern school furniture, visit saffefurniture.com.